Key steps in patenting 3D printing innovations. Conduct prior art research. Begin with comprehensive prior art research to identify existing patents and publications. This step is vital to assess the novelty of your innovation and avoid infringement. Document your invention. Maintain thorough documentation of your invention process, including sketches, prototypes, and testing results. This record supports your patent claims and establishes ownership. Work closely with a patent attorney to navigate the legal complexities of patenting. Their expertise can help refine your application, ensuring it meets all legal requirements. Choose the appropriate patent type. Determine the suitable patent type, utility for functional inventions or design for ornamental features. This choice affects the scope of your patent protection. Prepare and file the patent application. Compile and submit your patent application, including detailed descriptions, claims, and drawings. Collaborating with your attorney can strengthen the application and improve your chances of approval. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.